Noelle with the Lisle Library District here with you today. And I am here with you today to talk about this beautiful mug, which is a prize for our winter read program this year. Adults and teens who read and log 2 books will earn this awesome mug. That's between December 1st and January 11th of this year. But most importantly, once you earn this mug, what to do with it. So today we are going to put a strawberry Pop-Tart mug into this mug. So I'm going to walk you through that right now. This recipe is from the website Bigger Bolder Baking. I have doubled it because this mug is a little large, which is wonderful. More cake. So we're going to get started right now. So to our mug, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, which has been left out at room temperature. And we are going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And then we are going to mix this. All right, excellent. Once that is mixed, we are going to add a few more things. We are going to add 4 tablespoons of milk. And we are going to add 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're going to mix that all together again. All right, you want to mix that together very well so you get rid of all the lumps in it. Once you've done that, you're going to make a well or a little hole inside of your cake batter so that you can add the jam. Once you have a little well in there, you're going to take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam and you're going to add that to the well that you have made in your cake batter. And then you want to cover that with the cake batter so that no jam is showing. And then once you've done that, smooth the top out of it. And then you will pop this in the microwave. It may be done in 60 seconds. You may want to keep adding time until it's completely done, probably 10 seconds at a time. So I am going to pop this in the microwave right now. All right, time in the microwave is up. I'm going to grab my strawberry Pop-Tart in a mug out of the microwave. It smells wonderful. It looks glorious. You can see a little bit of the strawberry jam in mine. Oops, but sure, it'll still taste good. We do need to let this cool down now before we add our icing on top and sprinkles in the traditional Pop-Tart fashion. So for the icing on top, you can use store-bought icing if you have it. If not, you already have used the ingredients you need. It's just some powdered sugar, mix it with some water, mix it up until it's the right consistency for you. And you can add a bit of honey if you want for a little extra shine, but that is not completely necessary. So I've mixed up some icing here for the top once that cools, and then you will need some sprinkles, just anything that you have on hand. All right, so I'm gonna let this cool down for a little bit. All right, excellent, the waiting is over. So our strawberry Pop-Tart in a mug has cooled. We are going to take this and we are going to add some of our icing. I'm just going to pour this over the top. It looks wonderful. All right, and then I'm going to add some of my sprinkles. And that is complete. So we have in our lovely mug here, our strawberry Pop-Tart in a mug. So I am going to enjoy this. Again, if you would like one of these very own mugs for yourself, sign up for the Lisle Library District Winter Read Program. Visit lislelibrary.org for more information and for links to sign up. Thank you much.